Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use 4-port VNA to test the SWR value of multi-port duties. This is a 5-port combiner and we connect it to our 4-port VNA. So we can get the SWR value for all the 4 ports at the same time. First we choose the first channel and choose the SWR trace line and change the format to SWR. Then we use marker function to get a marker and use mark search to search the maximum value in the working range. Then here we can see this marker tells us the maximum SWR value in this working range for the first port. And the second channel which connected to the second port. It's the same steps, just choose the S11 trace line and change the format to SWR. Then add a marker, use mark search function to search the maximum value. And here we can get the maximum SWR value in this working range for the second port. Then choose the third channel. The same steps. Choose format to SWR. Choose S11 trace line and use mark search function to get the maximum SWR value in this working range for the third port. Okay, that's all.